Alright, here's a headlight switch, 1965 LeSabre. I have not tested it, I just removed it from the car. Looks good though, it's just dirty. The car wasn't parked because the headlights didn't work. It was parked because of an ice storm accident back in the early 70s. So this piece is what goes inside this piece on the front side, like this. Like that threads into that, and this piece goes in through that, like this, and then that goes into that. You push that little button on the bottom to release it. Right there. And here is the sweet spot right here. This is the plug, and my plug is in excellent condition. It just needs cleaned up. I've cut the wires off. This is what usually burns up on wiring, and then you have to have individual connector or blades you put down on that, and they come disconnected while you're driving. Anyway, I didn't clean this up, but this is original. Car's been sitting forever, but there's the headlight switch. 1965 Buick LeSabre. Privateseller007 at gmail.com. Privateseller007 at gmail.com.